Chat GDP 4 is here, and I'm just super, and I'm really happy and very happy to see this. It's very powerful, and I'm not looking for a very, I'm looking from a positive side. I think this can really tremendously increase your productivity if you use it in your favor, to learn, to develop yourself, to develop your skills. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate ChatGPT with Google Docs. So what you have to do is just to head over to extensions here and click on ads on and get ads on. Now, what you have to do here, just for this window to load, 1 second, it is gonna take just 1 second. Okay, now here in search apps, make sure you write Chat GPT. And here we have Chat GPT that you can use the the capabilities of Chat GPT, and you can use it when you're working, when you're writing with, with Google Docs. For instance, this one is very powerful extension. Already 2 million people, and it's almost 5 stars. This can really improve with extraction, clarification, data cleaning, translation, writing directly. This inbuilt open ChatGPT 3 and ChatGPT 4. As I said, models, you can use it for all sorts of tasks on text, writing, editing, extracting, cleaning, translating, summarizing, outlining, explaining. So I really hope, guys, you found this short tutorial helpful. Just make sure, you guys, you click now on install to install this extension, and that's pretty much what you have to do. Now, if you want to explore other extension, AI extension, can try other extension here. This one is for OpenAI ChatGPT 4 broad AI models can you use for all sorts of tasks. Extraction, writing, you can just install this extension and see which one helps you the most, which one suits your niche, your needs. And you can try other extensions as well. You can just write here AI, and here you can find a lot of extensions. So yeah, again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.